Have faith, even when it's hard. With man, this is impossible, but with God, all things are possible. Life can throw us some real curveballs, can it? There are moments when everything feels impossible, when the weight of the world is on our shoulders. But in those times, I remind myself of a powerful truth. With God, all things are possible. It's easy to lose sight of that when challenges loom large, but faith is like a light in the darkness. It doesn't erase the struggle, but it gives us the strength to push through. When I face obstacles that seem insurmountable, I take a deep breath and lean into that faith. I remember that every great story has its trials, and it's in those moments of hardship that we discover our true resilience. So, even when it feels hard, I choose to believe. I choose to trust that there's a purpose behind the pain and that I'm not alone in this journey. Faith isn't just a feeling. It's a powerful force that can transform our perspective and lead us to breakthroughs we never thought possible.